Yes, they were exiting this warehouse with, if you can see back here, over 100 pounds of cannabis flower. Approximately 3 a.m., NYPD was alerted about a burglary in progress at this location. When officers arrived, they apprehended 2 individuals that had over 100 pounds of cannabis flower on them. When they did some further investigating into the area, they realized that they would need some assistance from the sheriff's office because, as you can see behind me, there were pallets of cannabis product and other products inside. What we found is THC edibles, THC concentrate, which is the purest form of THC, cannabis flower, THC edibles, mushroom edibles, psilocybin. We've also found THC oil or honey, which is used to make their own vape. We also found a vape cart, which is actually how they make their own vape in this location. In comparison to the 2 locations that we had in the Bronx, this is actually a smaller warehouse in size, but because of the products that we're seizing in this location, it's so concentrated with the THC that this is going to match or exceed those values in the other locations.
Yeah, THC vape as well. There's different brands. Yes.